Wix versus Wix Studio. Which one should you be using? Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to break down the differences between Wix and Wix Studio so you can decide which one actually fits your goals, whether you're building a site for yourself or clients. Let's start with Wix. This is the classic website builder most people know. It's great for small businesses, freelancers, or anyone who wants to build a site fast with drag and drop ease. You get templates, apps, SEO tools, and hosting all in one place. Perfect if you're just starting out. Now let's talk about Wix Studio. This is Wix's newer platform made specifically for freelancers and agencies who design websites for clients. It adds advanced tools like client billing, multi-site management, and team collaboration, making it easier to manage multiple projects under one account. So which one is more worth it? If you're building a personal site or just one or two websites, stick with Wix. It's simple and powerful enough. But if you're a web designer managing multiple client sites and want better workflow tools, Wix Studio might be the smarter choice. Both are solid, just built for different kinds of users. Let me know in the comments which one you use. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. See you next time.